Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm gonna start doing daily vlogs. We gotta get them YouTube numbers up. Let's get it. This is daily vlog number 1. I've been hitting the trails. The other one we hit, oh, you can't see it from right here. So you guys see that mountain up there? That's where we usually go. It's Toro Park. That's just hella high, homie. Haven't came in a while to this trail. It's been a couple weeks. We're gonna get it. Mushroom. Need to step my game up. Hit a 15-minute mile. Usually I run down this. I'll get the height today. I'm gonna hit rock boxing after this. 2 miles in. 2 miles. Not that bad. My homie, I started like 10 minutes before him. He's probably right behind me. I was trying to double time it. I don't want him to catch up to me. My homie caught up to me. I was at least 10 minutes ahead of him. That fool's a beast though. Me ganó, güey. ¿Qué quieres que haga? Yeah. Let's check out the view. Mira. That's it. It's over. On my way, like I said, to rock boxing. That's what it's called, the boxing gym I go to. I'm gonna go get another workout in. Yeah, that was a pretty good, I mean, I'm pretty sure I don't need another workout, but I'm gonna go get it anyways. Let's get it. Workout 2 of the day.
I'm only doing like 20-second videos. Get your legs off the ground, dude. Don't touch the floor. There you go. Ah, jeez, dude. What do you have to roll everywhere, dude? Don't put your feet down. Come on.
I hate ab day, bro.
No, I can see the difference already. I can see a difference on your abs when you work out abs. Gordo versus aqua bag. Come on.
Oh, damn. I wasn't recording.
A little faster, dude. Come on, man. There you go.
He's gonna weigh me real quick.
Come on, Julian.
Well, ending the day, gotta do some videos. What are you eating? SpongeBob? Let me see.
Yes.
Show me the ice cream. Show me it. Oh man, it's gone. Picking up the kids. Subscribe, like, follow, share. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all of the apps.
Daddy, let's go tomorrow.
Yep.
Okay.
Also, elgordomamon.com. Stay up to date with my shows, and let's get it. Damn, my hair looking crispy. Don't forget, subscribe, share, follow.